In this video, we are going to see basics of a circle. What is a circle? Circle is a collection of points. It is a collection of points which are equidistant from a fixed point, and that fixed point is called center. Here, O is the center of the circle. If we take any point, suppose it is A, on the circle and join OA, this line segment from center to the point on a circle is called radius. A circle has infinite number of radii. We can draw infinite number of radii on a circle. All these radii are of equal length of a circle. All these are equal. Here OA, OB, OC and OD are radii. Radii is plural of radius. This radii is plural of radius. Now we will see diameter and chords of a circle. Suppose this is our circle. This is a rough figure. If we take any 2 points, suppose here we have A and here we have B. These 2 points are on the circle. If we join these 2 points A and B, we get chord. This AB is called chord of a circle. The line segment whose end points lie on the circle are called chords of a circle. Here, if we shade this region, this is called segment. Here it is minor segment. This region, ACB shaded region. Here ACB shaded region is the minor segment. This is minor segment. And this region, this shaded region is the major segment. It is major. MAJOR. Major segment. In this way, we can see that a chord divides a circle into 2 parts. This is called minor segment and this is called major segment. Now let us talk about diameter. We will see about diameter. This is our circle. This is our center. If we draw a chord passing through the center of the circle, suppose this is CD, this is called diameter of the circle. It is twice of radius. Diameter is always twice of radius. If radius is 3 centimeter, diameter will be 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter. In this way we can find diameter of a circle if we know the length of radius. Similarly, if we know diameter, we can find radius of a circle. Suppose diameter is given 10 centimeter. Then radius will be d upon 2, that is 10 by 2, 5 centimeter. In this way we can find radii or diameter of a circle. Now we will talk about arc of a circle. We are going to talk about here arc. Suppose we take any 2 points A and B. This AB part of the circle is called arc. Here it is represented that this is minor arc and this will be a major. Suppose if we name here P and name here Q, then APB, this arc APB will be minor arc and this AQB will be major arc of the circle. And if we take, suppose here this is C and this is D passing through the center, means CD is the diameter Then this CQD will be semicircle, and CPD, this will also be a semicircle. Means a diameter divides a circle into two. These two arcs are called semicircle, CQD and CPD. Now let us talk about sector of a circle. Suppose we have this circle. This is center. If you draw two radii like this is A, this is B. Then the region bounded by these two radii OA, OB and this arc AB is called sector. It is minor sector. This shaded region is MINOR, minor sector. And this portion will be major sector. Now we will see, this is a circle, this is chord. We have already read about it now. A line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle are called chords. If this line passes the circle intersecting at 2 points, then this will be called secant. And another line segment which touches the circle exactly at 1 point. This. Suppose this line is passing the or touching the circle at this point P, then this line will be called a tangent. Means at a point we can draw only one tangent which touches a circle, and a tangent is always perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Means suppose this is radius, this is tangent, then this angle OP, suppose it is D, OPD will be 90 degree. In this way we have seen some basics like radius, diameter, arc, sector, segment, tangent and secant. Next we will see more in next video.